Ya. Sari.
Oh, I see. Good.
Yeah. This one first, and we have nyo dari Sweden di sini.
Nyo wartawannya tapi jak sayang dia wali. Ya, nyo letak itu ni. Wartawan dari Sweden.
Nyo bahasa svenska. Adanya nyo bahasa Finland. Ya. Nyo gambar urung di Aceh, hotel kekalan tengah teken, nyo urung di kekalan di Masjid Raya Banda Aceh. Jadi urung senang sama mandu, urung kampung, jabak Masjid Raya.
Nah, beri raya dulu.
Thank you.
Nanya na apa tu dari US State Department yang dipujo tentang apa yang adanya berlaku dengan Indonesia.
Ya, yang paling lain. Terima kasih. Baik.
Stop belum ya? Sampai final aja. Kejut iklan.
Apa itu?
Ini yang baru-baru dekat ya.
Assalamualaikum.
Apa?
Di
Finland.
Finland. Kekal kan?
Ya.
Bantu bonak.
Bangsa dunia. Orang surat khabar seluruh dunia macam lebih 150 bangsa dunia. Ya, bang ya. Olehnya Presiden Sari, olehnya Menteri Luar Finland. Menteri Luar awaknya kedua, olehnya awak Indonesia, awaknya dua minister, olehnya salam wakil EU, European Union, yang duta Inggris. Jadi yang resmi tak ibu. Hanya na reception madu, hanya wakil-wakil daripada European Union pina nyalain, awak kementerian daripada Nangro Finland nyalain, nyawatenya untuk pekenya tanya ijo interview gambar di wartawan untuk dunianya, olehnya tapaju lunch together, state lunch. Jamun yang dekat palace untuk Governor Rusia. Jadinya Gino official Finland government function building. Jadi yang tempatnya yang jibi ke Gedanyo. Ya, yang sabor-sabor kehormatan kepada Aceh. Yang baik. Olehnya na duta Malaysia pi naik sih, duta Malaysia. Olehnya soal yang na ingat yang bawa bawanya luar. Ramai kan?
Ini ruangan dapur yang wali negara jadikan kantor. Makanan almarhum selalu diantar 3 kali sehari oleh keluarga Bakhtiar Abdullah dan Dr. Zaini. Sering juga makan bersama di salah satu rumah dari keluarga ini. Terdengar suara Malik dan Muzakir menceritakan bahawa komandan security yang selalu mengawal kami ketika menunggu flight untuk kembali ke Stockholm di ruang VIP di Bandara Fanta meminta bendera GAM yang selalu kami pajang di mana saja kami berada untuk kenang-kenangan. Ada juga yang meminta pin dasi GAM.
Jadi tunjuk gambar awak ni nak kecok gambar.
Muzakir menunjukkan pin dasi pemerintah Finland yang dihadiahkan oleh Sandra, staf Kemenlu yang selalu mengatur jadual dan keperluan logistik kami.
Sudah berundang kan, sekretari daripada Kementerian Luar. Tapi yang tajam tanya.
Foreign Finland, Foreign Ministry Finland.
from Finland and Joha will be arriving in I think arrive in Jakarta.
Yeah, they're wrapping.
Yeah, I think by tomorrow they will go to Aceh. Yes, and then also very soon, Irwandi will go there, and then also the wife of
Billy's
wife, Sadia, you know.
It's going to Aceh.
She will be going to Aceh and Irwandi. This is our advanced party to work together with the EU monitoring team. And then also Tengku Muhammad, our Tengku Muhammad, and all his our friends with him. I think about 5 of them.
Six, Jafar.
Yeah, will be released on the 22nd. And then for that matter, we have already assigned at least 3 persons to the monitoring team to go back immediately to Aceh and join Irwandi with the EU team on the field. And then in the meantime, Tengku Muhammad and probably another one, we will try to bring him here very soon. Yes. And then all the other prisoners of Achenese, prisoners in Java or in Aceh will be soon released. Yeah. So we see there are a lot of things we have to do in the region in Aceh, but perhaps very soon we have to go back to Aceh. Yes, very soon. Yeah.
Is he ready to go?
Yeah?
The best, huh?
Yeah, that's the best we have reached so far for this time. Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready to go back?
Yes.
we will
You bring the flag.
We will make sure that you go in style.
Waiting for you.
You know, our flag will be raised in Aceh. Officially, they will raise in Aceh. So there are so many other things.
Maybe 209.
2009.
2009.
Yeah. 2009 we'll have our own parliament as part of the self-government.
2009.
Yes.
Yes.
Not now.
Not now. Yeah.
This will be step-by-step exercise, you know. Yeah. And then these people, Demin and many others, our friends from outside, we will bring to Aceh as well. And we will assign all jobs for them. And we will give citizenship for them.
Abu Willy. Kuala Lumpur, Tugai Ulun,